Hey guys, it's Valerie, your independent Scentsy consultant, and it is February. And at the start of the new month, there's always all kinds of new Scentsy specials. The very first one is our warmer of the month, and that is called Once in a Lifetime. It's a super pretty purple, lavender purple warmer with these gold LOVE, love letters on the front. They are raised a little bit there. It is an element warmer, so there's no light bulbs, and it has a super big, deep dish. So if you're like me and you use a lot of wax in your warmers, this is going to be super awesome. It is on sale for 10% off, as are most of our items this month. So it's normally $35. It's on sale for $31.50. Excuse me. The scent of the month is called Plum and White Woods. And I've been saying if you're a fan of coconut vanilla orchid, you're going to really like this scent. It is yummy. It is a little bit sweet, a little bit feminine, but really fresh and soft. The description here says it's sweet raspberry preserves and damson plum weave through vanilla orchid. So it's definitely on the feminine side, kind of sweet, not floral, but really just soft and fruity, and I really like this scent. It's not overpowering. It's let me see. It's just good. It's just a good scent. I really like it. And if you want a sample, I will have a link below. Just fill out the form and I'll pop it in the mail for you. We also have a few other specials going on this month. The first one is our diffuser bundle, right? So you get to pack one of our diffusers. Sorry, I didn't want to pull it down. And 3 of our awesome oils, our big bottles, not the little bottles, the big bottles, 15 milliliter bottles. So the diffusers are on sale, so 117 bucks plus 3 oils, which is a $30 value. And there is a long list of oils you can pick, but if you just go to the site, which I will link below, and pick the diffuser bundle, you'll be able to see exactly all of the scents that are available in our oils. The last thing we have is, almost knocked the lid off there, our join special. So in January, you can join Scentsy for $49, as low as $49. We also have our standard $99 transition kit, so it's a big kit, available, but you can join for as little as $49, and you get our awesome A Star Dance warmer as part of that join special. So if you haven't seen this warmer, look at that. In all its rose gold glory. It's a little bit hard to tell because of the lighting on the camera and my disaster behind my desk there. Um, this thing is fantastic. It's one of my favorite warmers, and the warmer itself is normally 50 bucks. So you get it at a discount, plus you get to start your own Scentsy biz. So if you have questions about that, let me know. Otherwise, I will have information linked in the comments below. Again, most products are on sale this month. I'll have my link below there. If you have any questions, if you want a sample, reach out to me. I'm always happy to send you something in the mail. We can have a conversation about joining, whatever you want to do there. So that's all for me. Follow me at Poppy Scents, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.